These days, almost every viral video you see on YouTube has one thing in common, an attention grabbing thumbnail. Because if the thumbnail itself does not make the viewer stop scrolling, even the best video can get very few clicks. That's why creators spend a lot of time and money on thumbnails. But now AI thumbnail generators claim that they can create professional high CTR thumbnails with just a few prompts. But are they really that good? Or are they just marketing claims? Can this tool make professional YouTube thumbnails even without designing skills? Let's find out. So if you click the link given in the description box, the website will open. As soon as the website opens, you can see that its interface is quite clean and beginner friendly. On the left side, we get different options like Explore, Create Thumbnails, Recreate Thumbnails, Templates, and Thumbnail Downloader. Some new AI features are still coming soon, which will be added in future updates. So first, we'll test the features that are available right now. So first, we'll test the Create Thumbnail feature. Here there are two ways to tell the AI to make a thumbnail. Either you just write your video's topic, or you write a detailed prompt and tell the AI exactly what kind of thumbnail you want. And if you scroll down, you'll see many more options. For example, if you want, you can select any template from the already available templates. If you want to use your own face in thumbnails, you can also upload your photos and train the AI through the My Face and emotion features. Besides that, different references styles are also available, which you can select to tell the AI what type of thumbnail you want to generate. But right now, we'll not use any of these options. First, we'll just give the AI a simple video topic and see what kind of thumbnail this tool generates without any template, reference style, or extra instructions. So here I'm entering my topic. I survived 100 hours in the Amazon jungle. Now let's click generate and see what kind of result the AI gives us. So I've generated two versions here. You can see the both thumbnails are quite different from each other. The composition, colors, and overall designs are both are different. So you can choose a thumbnail according to your choice. And the best part is that the AI did not just understand our topic, but also created a relevant scene based on it and automatically added text to the thumbnail. That means even by just giving a simple topic, we get a pretty impressive result. But the real question is just writing the topic enough? Or if we give the AI more details and also provide a reference image, will the result improve even more? Let's test this. So this time, I'll not just use the topic but also a detailed prompt, and along with it, I'll upload a reference image so the AI can understand our required style and composition even better. So now let's see how much difference there's in the result this time. So now I've entered my detailed prompt here, and after that I've also uploaded my image. Besides that, a very interesting feature is also given here. It's not necessary that you upload a shocked or specific expression photo beforehand. You can upload a normal, clear image and then from here itself select different facial expressions with the help of AI, like shocked, happy, angry, scream, and many other emotions. Because our thumbnail is based on a survival theme, so I'll select the shocked expression so the thumbnail looks even more dramatic and clickable. So you can see that our image is now successfully ready. Now I'll click on save and use, which will apply this image for thumbnail generation. And after that, we just have to click on create thumbnail. And the AI will generate a thumbnail using a detailed font, selected expressions, and uploaded image. So you can see that both thumbnails generated with our uploaded image look quite impressive. The AI not only followed our prompt well, but also included the selected expressions and overall composition into the thumbnail in a very natural way. Now the next question is, can this tool only make survival or adventure type thumbnails, or does it perform equally well for different niches too? So to test this, now we'll generate thumbnails for a few different niches and check. So first we'll start with the health niche. So my topic will be 7 foods that secretly damage your brain. Now let's see how the AI converts this topic into a professional and high CTR YouTube thumbnail. So I'll follow the same process again, only the topic will change this time, while all other steps will stay exactly the same. After entering the prompt, we'll generate the thumbnail and create two different variations for this topic too, so we can compare how the AI handles the health niche. So you can see that both thumbnails turned out pretty impressive. The brain is highlighted in the center, unhealthy foods are shown around it, and the overall color scheme and design also look completely relevant to the health niche. The best part is that the AI integrated the title well according to the video's topic, which makes the thumbnail feels even more clickable. So now let's test another completely different niche in the same way and see how this tool performs in this psychology niche. So you can see that whether it's health, psychology, history, travel, or any other niche. These tools generate pretty impressive thumbnails for every category. The color scheme, composition, and overall style of each thumbnails automatically adjust according to the video topic. That means no matter what niche you create content in, this tool has the capability to generate professional and high click-through rate thumbnails for it. So till now we saw how thumbnails are generated from scratch, but now let's talk about the most interesting feature of this tool, which is called recreate thumbnail. With the help of this feature, you can take inspiration from any existing YouTube thumbnail and generate a completely new thumbnail for your video topic. But also remember one thing, recreate does not mean copying a thumbnail. This AI understands the colors, composition, visual style, and overall layout of the reference thumbnail and then gets inspired by that style to create a new and unique thumbnail for your topic. So let's now see practically how well this feature works. Suppose I'll use this MagnatesMedia thumbnail as a reference. You can see that this video topic is a crazy truth about McDonald's, but will not copy it. We'll only take inspiration from its visual style and composition and generate a new thumbnail for our topic, the dark truth about KFC. So for this, we just have to copy this video's YouTube link, then go to the recreate thumbnail section of Thumbs AI and paste that link into the thumbnail from YouTube video link option. And after that, we enter our new topic and prompt and click on generate. Now let's see how unique and professional a thumbnail the AI creates for our topic while keeping the same documentary style. So you can see how amazing the result turned out. And the best part is that it does not look at all like a copy of any thumbnail. The AI only understood the style, composition, and documentary feel from the reference thumbnail, while it created a completely new and unique thumbnail according to our topic. And this is the best thing about this feature. You can take inspiration from any successful thumbnail, but the final result is originally according to your own topic. If you want to make thumbnails for documentary or storytelling channel, then this feature can prove to be very useful. So if instead of writing a prompt yourself or recreating a thumbnail, you want an even easier way, then Thumbs AI also has a templates option. Here you already get many popular thumbnail styles, which include challenge, gaming, documentary, and yes, Mr. Peter style thumbnails too. Now the question is, how do you use these templates? So for this, just select the template you like, enter your topic, and if you want, upload your image too. The AI keeps the overall style and composition of the template, but it automatically replaces it with your topic. And if you upload an image, your face to generate a new thumbnail. So let's select the Mr. Beast template and see how professional a thumbnail the AI creates for us while keeping the same style. So you can see how amazing the result turned out. The overall style, composition, and feel of the template stayed the same, but instead of Mr. Beast, the AI fit our uploaded image into it very naturally. And the best part is that the image does not look awkward or artificial at all. The face placement, lighting, and overall blending are quite realistic, which makes the thumbnail look like a professional design. So if you want to use a popular thumbnail style with your brand or your image, then this template feature can save you a lot of time and effort. So I want to share a quick update. Currently, Thumbs AI is running a very special promotion for new users. If you register for the first time, you will receive 20 points, which can be used for 10 generated tasks. After completing your first generated task, you will get an additional 10 points, which can be used for 5 more generated tasks. So if you're planning to try this tool, make sure to take advantage of this offer. So from today's test, it become clear that Thumbs AI is a useful AI thumbnail generator that can help creators make professional thumbnails for different style and niches. If you also want to improve your YouTube thumbnails, you can try Thumbs AI from the link given in the description box. And do tell me in the comments which feature of it you found most interesting. If you like this video, then hit like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such AI tools and YouTube related videos. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.